Hey guys, subscribe to Shyam Sundar 1997's YouTube channel and click the bell button for more videos.
Shyam Sundar 1997 Animations presents George cleans up Subway / Ungrounded and was inspired by generated Eric 2K8.
I'm going to clean up Subway because Classic Caillou 3 exited 8 days ago, so I'm going to cleaning it up by Plotagon logic. Yes, I cleaned up Subway. Now nobody will throw exit it again.
George, good job for cleaning up Subway. For this, you are ungrounded forever. You can do whatever you want.
Yay.